Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Forte. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.